Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with ABS brakes. This twin sport just arrived with only 450 miles. Super cool gray metallic and black paint scheme. Fuel injected liquid cooled twin cylinder 650. Showroom condition. Low mileage. Come on by, check it out. 6-speed transmission. I love the styling. Only $87.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.